Real estate is one of the best ways to create wealth. Actually, most millionaires say they contribute their wealth because they contribute. They attribute their wealth to real estate. So if you want to learn how to make more money, you want to increase it, but you're like, oh my God, I don't have enough money, stay tuned because this video I'm going to give you 4 ways to actually increase your wealth through real estate. And I'll start with the first one, which is wholesaling. Is how I actually got in. So before we begin, hold on, cue the intro now. My name is Marcelle. I do mortgages. I want to help you become knowledgeable on mortgages. Let me give you the behind the secrets they don't want you to know about. Shh, I'm here to give it to you. Bing! Hey guys, the room is Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. And if you haven't been to my channel before, this channel is for you. It's about anyone who wants to learn more about mortgages, who wants to learn more about passive income through vending machines, Airbnbs, through stocks, through everything that I do. These are all things that I actually do now, and I'm showing you guys how to do it because I want to create more millionaires, and I want to help you guys break generational curses and create passive generational wealth. Like, it's time for us to be rich. It's time for us to be millionaires. Let's do this journey together, and I'm here to help you. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me go straight into the video. Whoosh. Guys, I got started through wholesaling. Yes, me. I was out there with my now fiance, and we were out there door knocking on properties, like going up, ding, 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 ding. And if you don't know what wholesaling is the easiest way. Well, I shouldn't say the easiest way. It's the cheapest way to get into real estate, but it's also the most difficult. So a lot of times, if you read books and anything like that, and I'm actually going to give you guys some book recommendations. I think I'll do that in another video. But when you read books and millionaires talk to you, they tell you like this: hey, you either have a lot of money and you have less time, or you have a lot of time and no money. And the more time you have to put in usually makes the job a lot harder. So what wholesaling is, it's finding properties that need work. So you're finding a property that's beat up, or the homeowner is going through foreclosure or something. They have a lot of issues. And you come in, you knock on the door. That's my door knocking sound. And you're like, hey, Mr. Homeowner, I can help you. My name is Marcelle, and I buy houses in this neighborhood all the time, blah, blah, blah. And would you be interested in selling? They're like, oh my God, I'm going through issues. Yes, I will. But is there any way possible I can get some money because I owe the bank a lot of money and I need money to move, blah, blah, blah. And then you work out a deal with them and be like, okay, this house costs $500,000. You're behind by $200,000, whatever. And you know what? I think I can buy this house for about $100,000 or $200,000, right? And I'll give you $50,000 for yourself. So you're buying the property at $250,000. The house might need $50,000 or $100,000 of work, but if you're buying the $250,000 and only needs $100,000, that's $150,000 left in equity of the property, right? And you find how much equity is based off the comps, the comparables of the neighborhood. I actually did another video right here that you can click on and you can see how comps are work. It's part of my whiteboard series. I might have to bring that back so I can do some more diagrams. What do you think? Yes? No? Put it in the comment section. Anyway, so you're buying the house with equity in it, and then you're finding a cash buyer, someone who wants to buy houses to flip them, which is another way of getting to real estate. Flipping, you see there's different aspects. And you're like, hey, I just found this house and I have it on contract, under contract, an assignment contract, which is saying you assign the rights to anyone, right? And or assign. Yes. Assignment contracts are very key. And make sure you get a lawyer. Don't get these ones off the Instagram or off of social media or these Google ones, because a lot of them have a lot of issues in it. It has holes in the contract. Trust me, I lost deals getting bullshit contracts. I do not want that to happen to you. Anyway, so you go to this cash buyer and say, hey, I got this property for $350,000. I want $10,000. So all in, you are at $360,000, and the comps in the area go for $500,000. And you'll make the rest of the profit. They gotta be like, oh my God, this guy knows what he's talking about. Not only did he get me the repair estimates because he was smart enough and he listened to the real Mr. Marcelle's channel and went and bought 3 contractors and not 1, so he knows how much the contractor's bid is going to cost me. He also got the right contract because he listened to the real Mr. Marcelle and got a lawyer to actually draft the contract. This guy knows what he's talking about. You know what? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go see the property. Looked at the property, I already got the pictures, I like it. Hey sir, Malcolm, can I buy the house from you? No problem. If you sign on this dotted line, come over to closing, boom, you just made $10,000. Now, theoretically, it sounds easy, but it is hard as shit. Not gonna lie to you guys. A lot of these channels go, oh yeah, wholesaling is easy. Oh, you do this. No, you have to put in work. You have to put in time. You have to put in effort. I've been door knocking. If you watch my last video, you guys heard about the story that I went to door knock on someone's house. And the guy let out a fucking pit bull on me. He let out a pit bull on me. I had to jump over a fence with my nice, you know, my khaki suits on. I didn't have a full suit. It was summertime. With my nice pants on. I had to run. So guys, wholesaling is not easy, but it is the cheapest way to get in real estate. The second way you can get in real estate is through REITs. REITs are real estate investment trust. And what they are their stocks. Yes, you can buy stocks in companies who own real estate. Like, woo, mind blown, yes. So these are big companies, and what they do is they use this money to buy more real estate. You're helping them buy and acquire real estate. And what I love about trusts are they usually give you up to 70%. 70% of the money they collect go back out to the shareholders as dividends. So you get appreciation, which is when the stock increases in value from what you bought. And then 2, you get dividends every single time they collect money. Some of them give it to you every month. Some of them do every 4 months. It all depends on the company. And I'm actually going to give you one that I like. It's called the Simon Property Group. And what they do is, when the pandemic started or whatever, they were at like, I believe it was like $50 or $40, and now they're about 90 or 100. So if you would have bought it then, in less than 3 months, let's say, 4 months, you would make $50 on every share that you own, not including the rental income that you collected, the dividends that you collected from them. And what Simon Property Group is, they own a lot of the major malls. So that's the second way, and that's for people who have a little bit more money. They have $300, $400, $500, $600, or even $1,000 that they can put into something long term. These are long term investments. What I tell people is have different portfolios for different goals. But I'm going to save that for another video. I'm actually going to do a stock video for you guys because I know GameStop and all these stocks are going crazy, and I think it's time that I start giving you guys some more advice and touch on other things other than mortgage hacks. All right, the third thing you could do, which is called flipping. Now, when you get into flipping, it's usually for someone who has a lot more money. If you're going to flip a property by yourself, make sure you have at least $100,000, depending on the area that you're flipping at. And you can also get hard money loans to help you out a little bit. And I'll do another video on like flipping with hard money loans, or I'll do a whiteboard series. I don't know yet. You guys comment, let me know which ones you think. Should I do a whiteboard series with flipping so I can show you guys the numbers, or you just want me to talk about it and you guys will get the picture? Anyway, what a joint venture is, I'm just going to give you a little hint. A joint venture is partnering with someone else. Now, I'll give you my joint venture story and how I got into flipping houses, and we'll save that for the next video. I got to make sure you guys come back for more. Oh, guys, before I forget, I have to tell you thank you so much for helping me hit 1,000 subscribers. You guys are my family. We are the Marcelle family. I don't know. Or come up with another name. What do you guys like? Because I think everything, I say Marcelle for everything. So come up with another name. Help me out. And the last way of getting into real estate. Are you guys ready for this? Doom, doom, doom. Buying a house. Yes, guys, I tell you this all the time. Buy investment-making properties. That's one of the best ways to get into real estate. And yes, that one is a long-term commitment. You're going down, you're signing a contract for about 15 to 30 years. But if the numbers work and it makes sense and you can afford it, it brings in income. So those are 4 different ways that I just taught you how to make money. You have wholesaling, which is if you have no money at all, you just have a lot of time. You need no money for wholesaling. You're just knocking on doors. Now, as you get more money, you can build up your business more with getting signs put up, with getting flyers, with getting lists, with getting callbacks. I actually know successful wholesalers who are doing about $200,000 to $300,000 a year in just wholesaling. And they increase their business model where they're hiring other people to work for them. Number 2, REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. These are people who have a little bit more money who want to put into stocks. They want to get into the stock market, but they're like, oh, I don't know what stocks to get. Look for real estate trusts. I'll show you how I read my graphs and stuff like that on another video. And this is for someone who has a little bit more money, but you're getting dividends and you're going to get appreciation when the stock goes up. Number 3, this is for a person who wants to start getting into flipping. You can either flip on your own, which I do not suggest unless you've done it before, or you could joint venture, which is JV, with someone else who knows a little bit more. and I'm going to tell you that in another video. So all these videos I'm going to touch in. I promise you guys, just give me a chance. And the last way is through real estate, buying a mortgage through real estate. Through getting a mortgage, a traditional mortgage, or you can do an investment mortgage. But I suggest you start with the traditional mortgage just because you have to put down a lot less. And you can buy a multi-family, which is technically your investment. And then you kill two birds with one stone. You have somewhere to live and also collect an investment. So these are the 4 ways that you get into real estate right now. No bullshit. I've done all 4 of these methods, and I'm still currently doing them. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. It's the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. Thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. We did it, guys. Woo! Thank you so much. We're breaking generational curses together. Passive income. Oh guys, I'm actually about to get a new vending location. It's about time. So you guys will be seeing new vending videos, new videos about stocks, new videos about mortgages. I'm giving you guys new videos every week. We're dropping 2 new videos, and lately it's been actually 3 videos. I don't know if you guys realize, but I've upped the amount of videos just to give you guys more content, more valuable things, because I want to see you guys break generational curses. Start tagging me on videos. Let's see those accounts shoot up, and let's make money together. Thank you guys for everything. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in learning more about real estate or mortgages, check out the other videos on my channel.